Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, the channel where learning English is simple, useful, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, Anna, and hello to all of our amazing listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It's great to have you back, David. How are you today?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. Very happy and super relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That's a great word. You even look relaxed.
Thank you. I had a wonderful week. How about you, Anna? How was your week?
It was busy, lots of work, but I'm so happy to be recording another episode today.
Me too. I always enjoy talking with you and everyone listening.
And today's topic is a really fun one. It's something everyone loves.
Ooh, I'm excited. What are we talking about?
Today, we're going to talk about vacations.
Vacations. Yes, that's a great topic. Everyone loves vacations.
We'll practice how to talk about your vacation in English, how to ask questions, and how to answer them naturally.
That's super useful. Talking about travel and fun experiences is a great way to practice English.
Exactly. But before we start, we have a quick request for everyone.
Yes, if you're enjoying this podcast, please take a second to give this video a like.
A big thumbs up really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key so you never miss a new lesson.
And if you know someone who's learning English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you so much for your support. Okay, David, I'm ready. Let's talk about vacations. So, David, you said you're very relaxed, and I noticed you weren't here last week.
That's true, I wasn't.
Where were you, David?
I was on vacation.
Aha! I knew it. That's wonderful. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach. Ugh, I love the beach. That sounds perfect.
It really was. I loved the sound of the waves and the smell of the ocean.
Same here. Which beach did you go to?
A place called Sunny Bay Beach.
That's such a happy name. Was it sunny?
Yes, beautiful blue skies every single day.
So tell us, how was it? Was it a good vacation?
It was amazing. Honestly, I didn't want to come back.
That's the sign of a great vacation. What did you do there?
Not much. And that was the best part. I just relaxed. No schedule, no work.
Nice. What did a typical morning look like for you?
Well, I woke up around 9 a.m., had a slow breakfast, coffee, fruit, maybe some toast, and then I went for a walk on the beach.
That sounds peaceful. Was it quiet?
Yes, very calm in the mornings. Just the sound of the ocean. The weather was perfect. Warm, sunny, not too hot.
Wow, sounds like paradise. Did you swim?
Yes, the water was a little cold at first, but then it felt amazing. I floated in the ocean and looked up at the blue sky. Total relaxation.
That sounds perfect. Did you read or do anything else?
Yes, I brought a book and read by the water. It was so peaceful.
I love reading at the beach. How long were you there?
1 week, 7 days. It was just the right amount of time.
And who did you go with?
I went with my wife and our 2 kids. A real family vacation.
That's lovely. What did the kids do?
They played in the sand all day, building huge sand castles and collecting shells. We brought home a bag full.
Aw, that's so sweet. The perfect souvenir.
Yes, and every afternoon we took a nap. The beach just makes you sleepy in the best way.
A nap on vacation? That's the dream. Now I have to ask, what about the food?
Ah, the food was amazing. Lots of seafood, fresh fish, rice, and salad. We ate at little restaurants near the water.
No cooking on vacation.
Exactly. No cooking allowed.
Good rule. And dessert?
Every night, the kids wanted ice cream, so we walked to a small ice cream shop by the beach.
Classic. What flavor did you choose?
Chocolate, always chocolate. My wife likes vanilla, and the kids tried everything. Strawberry, mango, cookies and cream.
That's the sound of a happy family. I'm so glad you had that break, David. That's so important.
Thanks, Anna. I feel refreshed and ready for work again.
That's great. So you had your vacation. Do I get one soon?
Of course. Do you have any plans?
Yes, next month I'm going to the mountains.
Oh, nice. Very different from the beach.
Yes, no sand, no ocean, but lots of green trees and fresh air.
That sounds wonderful. What will you do there?
I'll relax, but I'll also go hiking. I love long walks in nature.
Good exercise. And the air must be so clean.
Yes, I'm going with two of my good friends. We rented a small wooden cabin in the forest. It even has a big fireplace.
That sounds so cozy. Will you eat out or cook?
We'll cook. The cabin has a small kitchen. We'll make pasta and, of course, hot chocolate for the cold nights.
Hot chocolate by the fire. Perfect vacation plan.
We'll go hiking during the day, then relax at night, drink hot chocolate, and play card games.
That sounds amazing, Anna. I hope you have the best time.
Thank you. I can't wait. So, yes, we both love vacations.
Everyone loves vacations, and they're such a great topic for English practice.
Exactly. Let's review some easy words and phrases from today's chat.
The main word, vacation. You can also say trip.
Right. You can say, I'm on vacation or I'm on a trip.
To ask about it, say, where did you go?
And answer, I went to. For example, I went to the beach. I went to the mountains. Or I went to Tokyo.
You can also ask, how was it? And answer, it was wonderful. It was relaxing. Or maybe, it was terrible. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Another great question is, what did you do?
You can answer, I went swimming. I read a book. I walked. Or, I ate delicious food.
Simple words, but very useful for real conversations.
Well, Anna, time flies when we're talking about vacations.
It really does. It was great hearing about your trip, and I can't wait for mine.
And thank you to everyone listening today.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope this conversation helps you practice English and learn new words.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Learning Key and give this video a thumbs up.
And share it with a friend who's learning English too.
We have a question for you. Where did you go on your last vacation?
Or where do you want to go? What's your dream vacation? The beach, the mountains, or maybe a big city?
Tell us in the comments below. It's great English writing practice, and we love reading your answers.
Thanks again, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, Anna. Have a great week.
You too, David. Goodbye, everyone.